Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8, video number 4, rational numbers, section A, easy. Let's start. Which of the following properties of the rational numbers is given below in this 9 by 4 into this bracket minus 7 by 3 plus minus 15 by 12 equals to, see, it is multiplied 9 by 4 into minus 7 by 3 plus 9 by 4 into minus 15 by 3. So which property is shown over here? These properties you have already studied it in lower standards, so we are not going to repeat it. I'll just show you. There are four properties of rational numbers: closure, commutative, associative and distributive. Now this is a distributive property. X into bracket y plus z equals to x into y plus x into z. So this is known as distributive. So in our question it is distributive property. But what distributive, C or D? Distributivity of addition over multiplication or multiplication over addition. So it is distributivity of multiplication over addition. Here we are multiplying and this multiplication is distributed between two additions. So that's why the answer is C. Next, the multiplicative inverse of minus a upon b is. So what is multiplicative inverse? We had seen it many times in our earlier videos also and in your earlier standards also. Multiplicative inverse means the number which you multiply with the original number so that the answer is 1. So 15 into what is 1? 1 upon 15. So it's actually reciprocal. Okay. So this reciprocal of a upon b is b upon a, but you want plus 1 as the answer, not minus 1. So minus into minus is plus. So answer should be minus b upon a. If x equals to minus 4 by 11, which of the following numbers lie between x and mod of x? Now these are the four numbers: 7 by 13, minus 11 by 15, minus 2 by 11 and 5 by 8. First find x and mod x. X is this, so mod x means what? What is mod? Mod means the plus of everything. Means if it is minus 4 by 11, the answer should be plus 4 by 11. So mod x is plus 4 by 11. Now the numbers we have to check which. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.